The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is anticipated to be Samsung's next flagship foldable smartphone, expected to launch in July 2025. Building upon its predecessors, the Z Fold 7 is rumored to feature an 8-inch foldable main display and a 6.5-inch cover display, offering users a more expansive viewing experience. In terms of design, reports suggest that the Z Fold 7 will be slimmer and lighter than previous models, potentially measuring under 10 millimeters when folded. This reduction in thickness may be achieved by omitting the digitizer layer, which could impact S Pen functionality, possibly requiring a redesigned stylus with its own power source. Camera enhancements are also expected, with the main sensor potentially upgraded to a 200-megapixel unit, similar to the one found in the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. This would represent a significant improvement over the 50-megapixel main camera in the Z Fold 6. Under the hood, the Z Fold 7 is likely to be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, complemented by 12 gigs of RAM and storage options ranging from 256 gigs to 1 TB. Despite the larger displays, the battery capacity is expected to remain at 4,400 mAh, similar to its predecessor. Pricing is projected to start at $1,899.99, consistent with the Z Fold 6 launch price. However, given potential hardware upgrades, a slight price increase is possible. A new rumor suggests that Samsung is prioritizing slimness with the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7, aiming to make it the thinnest fold model yet. However, this could come at a cost. According to @crow_row, Samsung may downgrade the S Pen experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 7 to achieve its slimmer design. The exact nature of this downgrade remains unclear. Given that the Fold series already lacks a built-in S Pen holster, it's uncertain what changes Samsung might make. The Galaxy Z Fold 6, currently available for purchase, has a 5.6mm profile when unfolded. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, released exclusively in Korea and China under a different name, measures just 4.9mm when unfolded, making it the slimmest Samsung foldable ever sold. However, it completely lacks S Pen support. If the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is set to be even thinner than the Special Edition model, it raises questions about potential compromises. Samsung also slimmed down the Galaxy S25 Ultra, but whether this was due to the S Pen's Bluetooth downgrade remains unclear. A recent teardown suggests that the removal of air actions may not have played a significant role in the phone's reduced thickness. For years, the visible crease on foldable phones has been a major reason people hesitate to buy them. But what if Samsung has finally found the solution? A new leak suggests that the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7 could feature a crease that's nearly invisible during normal use, and that's a game changer. Even the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition, which was expected to have a refined hinge, still had a noticeable crease. While many foldable users say they get used to it, let's be honest. If you're spending over $1,000 on a phone, you want the display to look flawless. If Samsung has truly cracked the code, this could be the moment when foldables finally go mainstream. Now here's where things get interesting. While leaks about the Fold 7 are making waves, there's barely any news on the Galaxy Z Flip 7. Will it also benefit from this crease improvement? That remains a mystery. But if Samsung manages to bring the same technology to the Flip series, it could be a major win for clamshell foldables as well. Beyond just the display, let's talk about performance. Another major rumor suggests that Samsung's Exynos chipset is making a comeback. With Samsung stabilizing its 3nm manufacturing process, the Exynos 2500 could debut in the next Z series foldables. If all goes well, Exynos might return to the Galaxy S lineup in full force. Samsung is already developing a 2nm Exynos 2600 chip, which could power the Galaxy S26 next year. This is a big deal because in recent years, Samsung has struggled to compete with Qualcomm's Snapdragon processors. If they finally improve performance and efficiency without overheating issues, it could change the game. So could foldables steal the spotlight from the Galaxy S series? Let's be honest, the Galaxy S25 launch was underwhelming. The phones didn't introduce anything groundbreaking and many specs felt like a repeat of the previous generation. While solid devices, they didn't offer much incentive to upgrade. But if the Z Fold 7 delivers a true crease-free experience, it might reignite excitement in the smartphone industry. Maybe those who found the S25 lineup unimpressive will finally consider switching to foldables. Renowned tipster Anthony has shared a tweet revealing the full specifications of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. The device is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor and features an advanced vapor chamber cooling system for improved thermal management. It sports an 8-inch 120Hz AMOLED inner display alongside a 6.5-inch FHD plus 120Hz external display. The camera setup includes a 200-megapixel primary sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel 3x telephoto lens, ensuring top-tier photography capabilities. Equipped with a 4,800 mAh mAh battery, 16 gigs of RAM, and storage options of 512 gigs or 1 TB. The Z Fold 7 is built for high performance. It also supports the S Pen and boasts an ultra-slim design measuring just 4.7 millimeters thin when unfolded. A new tweet from Anthony highlights the decline in foldable smartphone production. Samsung plans to manufacture just 5 million units of the Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7, falling short of its long-term goal of 10 million. This aligns with a broader industry shift as several Chinese manufacturers are also cutting back on foldable production, with some canceling models entirely. Additionally, Anthony has revealed the pricing for Samsung's 2025 foldable lineup. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 will launch at $1,899, while the Galaxy Z Flip 7 will be priced at $1,099. Samsung is also introducing a more budget-friendly option with the Galaxy Z Flip FE, expected to cost around $799. According to him, the foldable will be based on the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, but with notable upgrades. Both models share key features like larger displays and a 200MP main camera. However, the Z Fold 7 is set to offer enhancements, including a larger vapor chamber, a more powerful chipset, and improved speakers compared to the Special Edition. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to pack a powerful punch, reportedly featuring the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset globally, just like the Galaxy S25 series. However, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 might not be as fortunate. While Samsung didn't confirm its processor, an earlier report suggested it could be powered by the less impressive Exynos 2500. Adding to potential disappointment, Galaxy Club reports that the Z Flip 7 will retain the same camera setup as its predecessor. This means a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel front camera, offering no significant camera improvements. Overall, aside from chipset upgrades, the changes to these foldables appear minimal. And if Samsung sticks with the Exynos 2500 for the Z Flip 7, it may not see the same performance boost as its flagship counterparts. According to leaker Panaflash Pro via GSM Arena, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 is expected to feature 12 gigs of RAM with storage options of 256 gigs and 512 gigs. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is also rumored to include 12 gigs of RAM and come in 256 gigs, 512 gigs, and 1 TB variants. Both foldables are likely to receive significant display enhancements. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to boast an 8-inch internal display paired with a 6.5-inch cover screen. Reports suggest a peak brightness of 2600 nits, ensuring improved visibility in bright conditions. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is rumored to feature a larger 6.85-inch main display, up from the 6.7-inch panel on its predecessor. Additionally, its cover screen could expand to 4 inches from the previous 3.4 inches. Both devices are also expected to be around 10% thinner, giving them a sleeker and more compact feel. Pricing is likely to remain consistent with last year's models. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is expected to start at around $1,099, while the Galaxy Z Fold 7 may launch at $1,899. If Samsung sticks to its usual release schedule, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will likely be unveiled in July 2025. So far, there's no sign of an earlier launch, allowing Samsung to avoid the crowded fall release season. Pricing details remain scarce, but rumors suggest a possible price increase due to higher costs for the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, something that may also impact the Galaxy S25 series. With the Fold 6 already struggling at $1,799, a price hike could make it an even tougher sell. Design has been a major discussion point in recent years, especially as competitors like the OnePlus Open and Pixel 9 Pro Fold refine their hardware. Samsung also faces increased competition in global markets, where brands like Honor, Vivo, and Huawei offer compelling alternatives. The Galaxy Z Fold Southeast, introduced in late 2024, may provide hints about the Fold 7's design. Reports suggest the Fold 7 will feature a larger 6.5-inch cover display and an 8-inch main screen. Could also be thinner and lighter, much like the Fold Southeast, which trimmed 1.5 millimeters off the thickness and shed 3 grams compared to the Fold 6. However, some sacrifices may be required, such as dropping the specialized digitizer needed for S Pen support. A January 2025 interview with Fastprint by the Elec indicated that Samsung doesn't plan to introduce major changes to the Z Fold 7, instead saving bigger upgrades for the Z Fold 8 in 2026. On the performance side, the Fold 7 is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, offering a 45% boost in performance and 40% better efficiency over the previous generation. It will likely feature up to 16 gigs of RAM and 1 TB of storage, though the base model may stick with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. One key question is whether Samsung will improve the cameras. The Fold 6 has used a 50-megapixel/10-megapixel/12-megapixel setup for years. Even a slight upgrade to the Fold 7's camera system could make it more appealing. The Fold 7 will likely keep the 4,400 mAh battery from its predecessor, along with 25-watt wired and 15-watt wireless charging. According to @PandaFlashPro on X/Twitter, Samsung won't be changing the price tags this year. If true, the Fold 7 will stick to its hefty $1,899 starting price, while the Flip 7 will begin at $1,099. On one hand, that's great news, new hardware without a price hike. On the other, those hoping for more affordable foldables might be disappointed. But don't lose hope just yet. Rumors hint at Samsung launching 4 foldable models this year. Maybe one of them will finally break the price barrier. However, reports suggest these models will focus on refining existing features rather than introducing groundbreaking innovations. Minor changes for the Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7. While the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition demonstrated that slim foldable phones can deliver excellent camera performance, the Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7 may not follow suit with major advancements. According to a South Korean report, significant changes could be reserved for the Galaxy Z Flip 8 and Z Fold 8, set to debut in 2026. An executive from Fastprint, Samsung's first high-density interconnect HEI supplier for the Galaxy S25 series, revealed the company's sales goals. Samsung reportedly aims to sell 6 million units of the Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7 combined. This figure contrasts with an ambitious 7 million unit target for the Z Flip 8 and Z Fold 8, suggesting Samsung is betting on future innovation to drive sales. The foldable phone's sales forecast comes amidst broader industry challenges for Samsung. In 2025, the company plans to sell 230 million smartphones, a notable drop from the pre-pandemic peak of 300 million units in 2019. The effects of the pandemic and ongoing market shifts have capped recovery, with 2024 smartphone sales reportedly around 222 million units. Samsung's Galaxy S24 performed strongly in 2024, selling 35 million units, surpassing the Galaxy S23 series. Expectations for the Galaxy S25 series are even higher, with a projected 37 million units sold, potentially rivaling the success of the iconic Galaxy S10 series. Breakdown of Galaxy S25 production plans. Galaxy S25, 13 to 14 million units. Galaxy S25 Plus, 6 to 7 million units. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 17 million units. The Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7 may offer evolutionary improvements rather than revolutionary features, but Samsung remains optimistic about its future foldable lineup. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.